Good morning, students. Hope you are all well and preparing yourself for examination. Today, we are going to talk about the smart entrepreneur. Friends, if you see the first slides of this presentation, there are few pictures of the great entrepreneur of the country. Richard Branson, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Donald Trump, Warren Buffett. I intentionally left the last pic empty, and I confirm that the last picture comes from the Kite School of Management students, batch 2019-20. Because my students are not here to get the job. You are job creator. And this is the beauty of this subject. Entrepreneurship development. It is a process of starting and running one own business, as our owner is one of the entrepreneur in national capitalism. Friends, entrepreneur is very old origin in 19th century, which means somebody who take a risk in their life, like our management students are taking. Friends, an entrepreneur is an individual who understands the risk associated with creating, organizing, and owning a business. Here, this slide talks about few steps in the entrepreneurial process. Friends, there are 5 steps in the entrepreneurial process, starting from discovery, concept development, resourcing, actualization, and harvest. As you are aware, few of our students have visited Dabur to take the entrepreneurship skills learning at Saibabad. Friends, the first step in the entrepreneur development process is discovery, to generate ideas, recognize opportunity, and study it in the market. Like we have generated the idea to organize Olympic 2019 at Kite Group of Institution, Ghaziabad. The credit goes to institution, management, and the authorities who successfully get the opportunity to organize Olympic 2019 in KIT Ghaziabad. Friends, this slide talks about that we need to identify the opportunities and the possibilities from different areas. Like we need to identify the possible skills, the customer's needs, testing the market, and understands the demographic characteristics of the market. The next stage of entrepreneurial process is concept development. For this, we need to prepare the business plan, which you have already studied at length in the class. Business plan, we need to create a trademark. If you all recognize, Mr. Vinay Alawad has designed trademark for Innotech 2020. The third stage is resourcing of 3 things: finance, humans, and capital to start any venture startup. Friends, fourth stage is actualization. the stage in which the entrepreneur operates the business and utilizes resources to achieve its goals and objectives. And the fifth stage is harvesting, the stage in which the entrepreneur decides on venture, future growth, development, or damage. Important slide for the 5 stages of entrepreneurial development. Now, the next slide talks about the 5 stages of business life cycle, starting from pre-startup, startup, growth, maturity, and rebirth. And this is the actual entrepreneurship life cycle stages. Talks about from pre-startup, startup, growth, maturity, and rebirth. And this way, this life cycle has gone. Now, this next slide talks about the launching of a new business. There are 3 issues in the pre-startup phases: testing, concept, feasibility. Feasibility analysis is one of the most important points before launching a business plan, because the second stage is developing a business plan, and third is acquiring resources. Resources in terms of finance, resources in terms of human resource, resources in terms of raw material. Creating opportunity creation is one of the important slides for this, and opportunity recognition, the process of using creative skills to identify a new innovation. Innovation, it may be in the terms of product, innovation in terms of services, process, or marketing. Now, what are the benefits of entrepreneurship? It provides the opportunity to create your own destiny. It provides to make a difference in the life of others. But there are certain drawbacks of entrepreneurship also. Uncertainty of income, risk of losing your entire investment, long hours and hard work, lower quality of life until the business gets established, and high level of stress. Complete responsibilities are on your shoulders. Here are these 10 deadlines which deadly mistakes of entrepreneur will do, and because of this the business fail. So please take care of all these mistakes, starting from management mistakes, lack of experience, uncontrollable growth, poor location, incorrect pricing, and all. Friends, we all here to develop entrepreneurship skills, and for this we have also visited to the Rashtrapati Bhavan at Old Back and discuss and learn the entrepreneurship skills from our Rashtrapati Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and we are thankful to our institution who has provided this opportunity to have an interaction with Honorable Rashtrapati Sir. So in the my last slides contribute to you that be as a Kitean, you need to be different. You need to be doing something creative, something innovative, and create your startup, and in spite of taking job, become job giver, become kite entrepreneur, be different and make the life of other difference.